Hey homeboys, how the fuck is it going? Tony Fields here. Used to be motherfucking just Tony. Back in the day used to be fucking Pika Gamer, you know that shit, back when I was young. Back when I made fucking Minecraft videos, Stuff you might fucking remember, I don't know. Y si eres de los que hablan español, pues soy yo, Pika Gamer. But now I'm an old man. By an old man I mean I'm 15, But I was 9 back then, right? So like shit, you know how it'd be. Well, today we're finna talk about, I don't know. I don't fucking know. Like, I was chilling, and I was like, you know what? We're making a fucking YouTube video. I remembered that back in the day, I had the fucking YouTube channel, right? Well, yeah. Let's just put it that way. So I was like, you know what, bruv? Let's fucking record, quarantine things, quarantine season. I'm bored of this shit. Yeah. And I don't know what the fuck to talk about at all, bro. Well, like, shit. First of all, I fucking, I'm bored as fuck. Like, I think I said like twice already, but I'm bored as fuck. Okay, like, I'm bored as shit as fuck. I'm bored like a fucking, I feel like a cow staring at a fucking train, you know what I mean? Like, holy fucking shit, man. Well, Chicken, man. Chicken. Motherfucking chicken, bruv. Have you seen the fucking, like, PETA videos? Like, the fucking, like the chicken factories and shit, Like, holy fuck. First of all, PETA videos are fucking hardcore as shit, bruv. Like, for real, man. Like, I'll probably fucking play some, Fucking nice PETA fucking videos, For you weird motherfuckers, I'm just putting it here for, educational purposes, right, YouTube? Okay, anyways. Like, them shit's fucking gnarly, like, here. There's this one I just watched, actually. I think this is why fucking, chicken came to my head. It was like fucking Indian fucking, Indian fucking, like this chicken factory in fucking India, right? Yeah, like just chicken factory in fucking India, man. And motherfucking, holy shit. That shit's fucking gnarly, man. How they treat fucking, little fucking chicken boys over there. Like, that shit's fucked, man. Like, oh god. I mean, I'm an advocate for fucking chicken. I love chicken, right? Like, holy fuck. But, I'll play some fucking clips, like, right fucking now. Is really real if they're a cock or a bitch. Look at this shit, bro. They should throw my boy in the fucking gulag, man. Fucking Satan's furry asshole. Oh god, look at this shit. Look at this shit, bro. They should throw my homies in the fucking bucket, Put some water over them, Fucking get them lost in the fucking sauce, bro. Like, it's fucked. Alright, enough said. Well, now you've seen those fucking clips, Like, tell me, what the fuck do you think? Huh? Like, what? Like, do you still like fucking chicken? Like, nah, bruv. Like, shit. Like, I don't know, bruv. I don't know. Of course, I'll still fucking eat chicken. I'll probably forget about these videos, like, what, fucking tomorrow? Fucking, like, 2 hours from now. But, it's fine. Well, and like, chicken's used fucking thing that moves the fucking world, man. Like, oh god, like, take a look at the fucking, I don't know, but like the chicken sandwiches, we ain't gonna go to Popeyes yet, fucking, like, fuck Popeyes, man. Well, not fuck it, I love Popeyes, but you know what I mean, for now, fuck it. And like, let's talk about the fucking Mac chicken, right? that shit's like what, fucking $1 in like the US? I don't know, it's like fucking 3 here in Canada, you know? Like holy fuck, man. Like first of all, that shit's fucking like the most decent fucking thing in McDonald's ever. Well, in my opinion, at least, you know, I'm not a very big fucking advocate for it, but you know how it be. And like, I mean, I know there's people that really fucking like it, right? Like, I mean, for the price, I guess it's fucking good, you know. It's kind of fucking filling, but maybe I'm just a fucking fat ass, which is, you know, most likely the fucking problem here, right? But I mean, oh fuck, I'm hungry now. Shit, yeah, I'm the fattest. Fuck. Well, you know, fucking Mac Chicken, man. Great fucking sandwich, great fucking everything, man. Fucking so good. But then, you know, we have, it's fucking, it's motherfucking, you know, like, edgy fucking cousin, you know, the fucking glow up of the family. We got the fucking Popeye's fucking chicken sandwich, man. Like, holy fuck. Oh, did that thing fucking, oh my. Well, maybe just because, you know, it's in US, you know, Americans, you know, like, if you're American, you're watching this, you're fucking weird, man. Like, oh god, you're fucking weird. But, you know, maybe it's just Americans that had this reaction, because, you know, I live in Canada, right? And, like, I don't know if in fucking Canada, like, they would have the same fucking reaction at all to a motherfucking chicken sandwich. But once again, I've never fucking had it, so, you know, maybe it's some fucking revolutionary shit, you know, like, holy fuck, it's the holy grail of fucking just sandwiches and chickens, you know? Like, shit, here, I'll show you a fucking ad, yeah, I'll show you one.
I finally did it. Popeye's new chicken sandwich. I've been trying to make the perfect chicken sandwich forever.
How does that make you feel?
You know me. It had to be just right. Finding a bun as good as my chicken was not easy. I mean, I did it, obviously.
I think we've made a lot of progress here. I feel great. Good talk. I'm proud of you.
Now, as you can see, fucking, like, this bitch fucking Aunt Jemima. No, I'm not racist, man. I'm not racist. You know, just for the video. It's just for the video. But, you know, this bitch is like, oh, finally fucking, you know, my recipe, blah, 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 blah. Like, bruh. No. First of all, like, this is supposed to be the fucking, like, the CEO of Popeyes. Like, you know, like, it's what they're playing her to be, right? And it's not just in this ad. There's more like this, right? Where she's the fucking, you know, quote-unquote CEO of fucking Popeyes, right? But, like, fuck, like, have you seen the real CEO of fucking Popeyes? Like, here, I'll put you a fucking picture, right? Fucking, I don't know, somewhere, you know, it's, you know, I'm, like, pointing and shit, but, you know, I forgot I'm gonna have a fucking camera, but, you know, it's okay. But, yeah, like, the fucking actual CEO of fucking Popeyes is just a white fucking woman, right? And there's fucking, like, we like, I don't fucking know if they're fucking, you know, smart. Well, no, yeah, they are fucking smart directed black people, because, I mean, look at this shit, bruv. Y'all fucking crazy. Like, once again, I'm not racist. Well, I am, but, you know, not just against black people or white people. I'm racist against fucking everyone, man. I'm a fucking beaner, and I don't even like fucking beaners. And look at this shit, bruv. Look at this shit I found.
Hello, y'all. Tonight I will be frying chicken. I have no problem with frying chicken. So I know how to fry chicken. So I know everybody gonna lie. You don't know how to fry chicken. You don't know how to fry chicken. Yes, I do know how to fry chicken. It's all about putting it in grease. I know how to fry chicken. I'm about to wash the meat right now. I don't know why everybody make a big uproar about washing the meat, but ugh. Tonight I'll be frying chicken tonight. I will be frying chicken. What you going to have with it? I don't know. I'm gonna fry some chicken. But right now I'm finna wash the meat.
Like, bruh, what the fuck? Tell you that Well, you know, anyways. Holy fuck. Like, they're fucking, they're something else. Popeyes are something fucking else, man. But shit, like, you know, here, I'll just put you some fucking videos of, like, people reacting to, like, you know, the fucking sandwich. No, there's this one video I saw of, like, these two bitches, they're fucking fighting. It's so fucking funny. Well, here, I'll just play it. Alright, so listen, bruv. I was gonna put in the video, right? Well, I put in the video. This is my third time uploading this goddamn video because YouTube keeps taking down the fucking video. And, you know, like, well, this is the third one. You know, they say third time's the charm. But, you know, I'm gonna blur this shit out, bruv. If you want to see the fucking video, just a couple black women fucking fighting. You know, if you want to see the fucking video, it's in the description, man. And like, look at this shit. Look at this fucking little girl, man. Just look at her. Fuck, I feel. Oh my fucking god. And like, holy fuck. And then the fucking cops coming, you know, it's no fun anymore, you know, shit gets low. Black people, man, like, you know, stereotype, you know, black people like fucking chicken, blah, 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 blah. Oh, well, fried chicken in particular, you know, but just chicken, bro, you know, like, yeah, it's a fucking, you know, stereotype, I guess. But, like, god fucking damn, bro, like, I love chicken, man, I love chicken, for real, I love chicken. And, moral of the story, chicken's good. Fucking chicken factories are whack. And fuck vegan gains, fuck vegan gains, fuck vegan gains. I hate that motherfucker. But you know, thanks for fucking listening to my TED talk. And like, yeah. If I decide to make more videos, you know, like right now, you know, if I'm just for fucking fun, no one's gonna see it, right? So like, you know, if I start making videos, you know, well, see you in the next one. If there's a next one. See ya, boys.